Hi, this video shows us how to configure and enable the BMC Remedy AI system adapter on the BMC Atrium Orchestrator Grid Manager.
Configure and add the adapter. Go to the Management tab and manage the adapters. In the very bottom you see the Remedy Actor and Monitor adapter and the version that we have available in the grid. The content is based on the latest release. We select the Monitor and Actor adapter, add this to the grid, and then be able to configure the adapter. As you can see here, I already have pre-configured adapters for Remedy Monitor and Actor adapters, so I'm going to review that. The adapter name is very important to note as we use this in our module configuration. The ITSM configuration will be applied. The username is our orchestration user, and I want to make sure that this orchestration user can actually log into the Remedy system. We are going to review the configuration that we can log in and open up the applications. For example, I want to see if I can open up change management because we want to integrate with change. We want to open up incident management console because we are going to integrate with the incident system. Looking at the base homepage for that particular user works fine as well. And then we are going to create a sample change request to make sure that this user has all the permissions that we require. Pre-fill in the default values for that user. That looks very good. Going to incident management and create a new incident. Wonderful. Shows up too. Data is in there. I can open up the application, log out from that system, and go back into Atrium Orchestrator Grid Manager. The remaining pieces will stay as the default value, and then we can save the configuration for that adapter. Going to the monitor adapter. Again, here we have an adapter name. That doesn't really matter since it's a monitor adapter and not an actor adapter. You need to make sure that you use the port 0 for the port mapper, or if you're not using port mapper, put in the proper port number. In POCs, you most often forget the settings for that. Remove my leftover pieces since we're not using them. I pre-configured the adapter, and now we need to activate the adapter at least on one peer within the grid. As you can see right now, I have no running adapters or enabled adapters, and I'm going to enable the Remedy Actor and the Remedy Monitor adapter. Pick these two adapters from my list. Here you see I have a naming convention for my adapter, and I can also configure auditing or debug information for my adapter framework and adapters that will be written into the file called grid.log on the individual peer. Save the configuration. Adapters are enabled on the peer, and now I need to review if the adapter is actually running. Green indicates that my actor and monitor adapter are running and can actually communicate with Remedy. Login is properly executed.